Greetings and namaste to all of you. It's you're with from Magina, and in this short video cast we are going to look at how to actually express higher expressions using the meta language of civilization. So we have what you might see here. All right, so what you're looking at there is a civilized, very high level abstract in a visual form. And essentially, when you're communicating with a subconscious or with what is in esoteric language considered to be the higher self, you normally have to use a visual language, as you might already be aware. Pictures speak louder than 1,000 words. So this method has been expressed and applied since ancient times. Mostly if you've experienced what are called hieroglyphics. Yes, hieroglyphics, a form of expression that was practiced in ancient Egypt, Sumeria, and other parts of the world where civilization especially originated. You find that it is so interesting because much as let's say a high level processor like a human, for example, may not be able to interpret when they look at a visual glyph like the one we have before us, possible to express algorithms or perhaps what we would call intones that would be able to decipher such an abstract expression and extract the intricate inner forms or message that was actually expressed. Now, these methods have been applied by magicians, alchemists, and others across centuries, though it's mostly considered to be occult arcana because not the average person might come across such methods or ways to apply language. However, it is part of our intent to actually build algorithms that might be able to reverse from a sigil or a glyph and then be able to express the actual that might be hidden within such visual expression. So when you go, for example, with your camera to the pyramids of Giza and look at a glyph that's about 2,000 years or 3,000, you might not be able to understand or interpret that. However, using some clever science, it might be possible. And just just stay tuned. We'll very soon be looking at how we can apply computer science, lexing, and some clever reverse engineering to make such technology useful and possible. Thank you. You're with from Magina of Code. It's 256 Equatorial, and this is Makere in the background there. Hope to catch you guys soon.